In this demo, we'll show you how you can reduce build times by over 70% with Incredibuild's Build Cache. Build Cache is our patented technology that seamlessly integrates into your build flow, enabling you to distribute what you can and cache what you can't, leading to even greater acceleration. This delivers shorter dev cycles, faster iteration, and helps save compute power and costs without having to add more hardware. Let's see it in action. For this demo, we will be building the OBS Studio, a popular open source broadcasting platform. And for reference and comparison of performance, when compiling OBS Studio on a single 16-core machine, it took 1 minute and 55 seconds to build our executable. Build Cache is extraordinarily easy to configure and integrate into your builds. It is created and managed from the Incredibuild Coordinator, our centralized grid management portal. Here you can see all the operational details of our demo grid. To enable Build Cache, one simply identifies the initiator, the machine that will be performing the build, and that you wish to create and utilize the cache from. Right-click the agent, and under Build Cache Configuration, create your cache size and your folder location where the cache will reside, and then simply select Allocate Build Cache. And that's it. A simple 3 steps and you've unlocked additional acceleration power from Incredibuild's Build Acceleration platform. Now that the cache has been enabled, to populate it for use, we must first run a normal distributed build. Although you're able to run Incredibuild via command line, this demo will utilize our native integration with Visual Studio. And from here, we will initialize the distributed build of OBS Studio, and our binaries will be populated and created under the run directory, which is currently empty. The first build follows the normal Incredibuild process, the initiator contacting the coordinator for available helper cores to distribute the compilation tasks to. As you can see in the build monitor, the tasks are being built, but at the same time, the cache is also being populated. And if we look in the coordinator, you can see that the helpers are lending their available resources to the build. And the build has completed, and the cache has been populated, and we can see that it took 1 minute 4 seconds. And we can confirm that our binary has been built by running the OBS Studio. Now we'll clean out the binaries and run the build a second time. This build will now, instead of distributing the compilation tasks again, it'll recognize that the objects already exist in the cache and pull from it. We'll again initiate the build via Visual Studio. Utilizing the build monitor and looking at our visualization graphs, we can see that the build is not distributing to helpers, but rather finding hits in the cache. And by checking the coordinator, we can see that no helper resources are being consumed. And now you can see that the build has completed, and it took it 34 seconds. From our original time, the additional acceleration power of Build Cache has been reduced by over 70%. And we have our new binary executable available. Faster builds, faster broadcasting, Build Cache. And this concludes the demo of Incredibuild's Build Cache technology. Thank you for watching.